Adding stunning effects with Saber in After Effects is easy, and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let's dive in. First, if you haven't already, download and install the Saber plugin from Video Copilot. It's free and works perfectly with After Effects. Once installed, open After Effects and create a new composition. Start by creating a new solid layer. Go to the top menu, click Layer, New, and Solid. And make sure it's the same size as your composition. Name it something like Saber Effect and click OK. With the solid layer selected, go to the Effect and Presets panel and search for Saber. Drag and drop the Saber effect onto your solid layer. Instantly, you'll see a glowing saber line appear in your composition. Next, we're going to customize the look of the saber. In the Effect Controls panel, you'll find options for Preset, Glow, Core Size, and more. For example, you can change the preset to Electric, Fire, or Neon to achieve different effects. Adjust the glow intensity and core size sliders to refine the appearance. To animate the saber, use the Start Offset and End Offset properties under the Core settings. Keyframe these values over time to create dynamic light animations, like saber extending or retracting. Finally, set the saber layer's blend mode to Add or Screen in the timeline. This makes the glow interact naturally with the layers beneath it, blending it seamlessly into your scene. And that's it, you've successfully used Saber in After Effects to create stunning effects. I hope this tutorial has helped.